For Washington homeowners, investing in the right windows is more than just a design choice. It's a decision that impacts comfort, energy efficiency, and property value. With the Pacific Northwest mix of rainy winters, cool springs, and sunny summers, high-quality windows are essential for maintaining a safe and comfortable home. Let's explore the top benefits of upgrading to premium windows in Washington homes. Improved energy efficiency. One of the biggest advantages of installing high-quality windows is energy savings. Modern windows are designed with advanced technologies like low E, low emissivity coatings that reflect heat while allowing natural light inside. Double or triple glazing that traps insulating gas between panes to reduce heat transfer. Insulated frames that prevent drafts and air leakage. These features work together to lower heating costs in winter and reduce cooling expenses in summer. For Washington homeowners, that means year-round comfort and lower utility bills. Protection against Washington's weather. Washington's climate brings heavy rain, wind, and occasional snow. Poor quality windows often allow water leaks, condensation, and drafts, which can lead to costly damage. High-quality windows are built with durable seals, strong frames, and weather-resistant glass that stand up to the region's unpredictable conditions. By keeping moisture and cold air outside where they belong, these windows protect your home from mold growth, water damage, and structural wear. Enhanced comfort and indoor air quality. Drafty windows can make rooms feel cold and uncomfortable, even when your heating system is running. With high-quality windows, you'll enjoy consistent indoor temperatures, fewer drafts, and better air circulation. Some window models are designed with built-in ventilation features that allow fresh air to flow in without compromising security or efficiency. This improves indoor air quality, making your home healthier and more comfortable year-round. Noise reduction. For peaceful living. Whether you live in busy downtown Seattle or a quieter Washington suburb, outside noise can affect your comfort. High-quality windows with multiple panes and sound dampening technology significantly reduce unwanted noise from traffic, neighbors, or construction. This is especially valuable for families working from home, raising children, or simply wanting a quieter, more relaxing living environment. Increased home value and curb appeal. Windows are one of the most noticeable features of a home's exterior. High-quality windows not only perform better but also elevate curb appeal with modern styles, sleek finishes, and design flexibility. Buyers recognize the value of energy-efficient, durable windows, making them a key selling point when it's time to put your Washington home on the market. The investment often pays for itself by boosting resale value and attracting more potential buyers. Better security and safety. Modern windows include advanced locking mechanisms, reinforced frames, and shatter-resistant glass options that help protect your home from intruders. Some are even impact-resistant, adding extra peace of mind during Washington's stormy weather. Additionally, new windows are easier to open and close, which can be crucial in case of an emergency when quick exits are necessary. Eco-friendly living. For Washington residents who value sustainability, high-quality windows contribute to a greener lifestyle. By reducing energy use, they help lower your household's carbon footprint. Some manufacturers also use recyclable materials and eco-conscious production methods, aligning with Washington's strong commitment to environmental responsibility. Final thoughts. Installing high-quality windows in your Washington home is one of the smartest upgrades you can make. From improved energy efficiency and weather resistance to noise reduction and increased property value, the benefits are immediate and long-lasting. Whether you're renovating, building new, or simply looking to enhance comfort and security, investing in premium windows ensures your home is well prepared for the unique challenges of Washington's climate.